Good day guys, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to connect Stripe to base44 so you can start accepting payments on your site. We'll go through this step by step from creating keys to testing payments and going live. So even if you've never connected a payment processor before, you'll be able to follow along without confusion. Right, and this takes us to the very important part, which is setting up our Stripe account. So let me just open up the incognito and I'll show you what you need to do to create your first account. It's actually not hard at all. So guys, you go to the official website and in here you just need to press on Get Started. So this is going to give you a choice how you want to sign up. And you can also press on Sign Up with Google, which is the fastest and the easiest option of all, I would say, because you're just clicking on the buttons and you're connecting at literally no time. So you press on Get Started, and in here you can either go with the manual sign-up process, which is providing email, full name, password, choosing a country. Of course, make sure to choose the country you're living in to avoid issues. If you want to get emails, I never click that. I don't need ads. If you do, you can. And then press on Create Account. Or the simpler version, you sign up with Google, which takes literally just seconds. Alright, and when you've created your account, you'll be landed in the sandbox, as they call it. As you can see, sandboxes are the way to test. So in here, you can, as you can see, do everything. You can set everything up perfectly. You can also create and manage your API keys that will later be used. I will show you how in the base44 and other things. So also the important part is verifying your identity and of course completing the business details. So you can just press on verify your business and in here just fill all the details in. So Stripe requires this because it handles real financial transactions and must comply with payment regulations. So always use accurate business info. Fake data can get payouts frozen. So how do you do this? As you can see in here, we have steps. So firstly, you have the business type. Once again, you choose your country and then choose the type. For example, it's a registered business. Then, what is the business structure? Single, multi, partnership, private corporation. Let's choose private. Press on continue. Now we'll be taken to the next step, which is the business details. Let this load up. And this is going to be one of the most important, as you can see, steps. So Stripe usually will require you to provide such info. Once again, it's business type, then address, bank account, and tax info. Until activation is complete, you can test payments but cannot receive real money. So you just provide your the EIN number from the IRS, of course, legal business name, etc., and then you just fill up business details. Who is the representative? Who are the owners? Products or services you're providing, and public details. Then there's going to be your bank that you will have to add, secure your account. If there's any extra, add them, review, and submit. I won't do this because, of course, I don't have my own business, but the process here is pretty straightforward. They give you exactly what to do in each window, so you will definitely have no trouble doing it. All right, and now this brings us to the discussion of API keys, because API keys is going to be the way we connect our Stripe and base44. So these are what connect your site to your Stripe. So in the dashboard, as you can see in here, you need go to the developers and then API keys. But provided that I guess they have changed the interface, we actually already have our keys in here. On the very home page, as you can see, we have the publishable key and secret key. Also, if you click on the arrow up, as you can see, we also have the keys here. So we have the test keys and the secret key that you can use, for example, to test your connection, which is great because on other services you have to go through literal hell to even be able to find these API keys, and on Stripe it's actually quite straightforward and simple, which is good news. Also, my friends, be sure to never share your secret keys publicly. I'm sharing the part of it because this account I will never use again, but if you're using this seriously for your business, make sure to never share them. Anyone with it could control payments, so be very careful. And just keep this tab open. We'll paste these into base44. Alright, and now we are transferring ourselves into the base44. And in here, we will need to go to our site settings. So how do we do this? Firstly, choose your application. I will just go ahead and choose the task flow. This is just a dummy application that I've created. And in here, we need to not use the preview. So preview is where we can use our app. We need to go to the dashboard. And in here, guys, we will have our settings for authentication, for example, right? And also we'll have the API. So we need to choose the payments and integrations and select the Stripe. But luckily, as you can see, we don't really have anything of a sort in here. But luckily, we have our AI to actually help us with it. So in here, let us just type, I want to connect my base44 to Stripe. Just press that and let the AI do its work. Okay, and what does it tell us now? So to connect Stripe to your base44 app, you'll need to enable the backend functions, which are found at dashboard and settings. So this is actually our dashboard. Go to settings, then you go to app settings, scroll a bit down, and here are the backend functions. So also make sure to understand that some of these features are locked behind a plan. So if you wish to use them, you'll have to purchase a plan. If you are curious about the prices, they are as follows. You can, for example, go with a starter and you'll be able to do that. And what then? Once enabled, you will be able to help us integrating Stripe by creating backend functions to API calls. And then, of course, you will be able to use and add these API keys, of course, from Stripe, setting your Stripe API keys and secrets, building the front-end UI to interact with Stripe exactly for our payments, subscriptions, etc. So this is how you link them pretty much. And in general, once you have a subscription, you go and paste publishable key, secret key, then click on connect and save. And once saved, base44 establishes a secure API connection to Stripe's service. Then you will have connection successful and payment system is going to be ready. And then in Stripe, you can just go to payments, click on payment methods, and then you enable the options you want. So that might include what? For example, you can add the credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, bank transfers, and regional payment systems. The more of them you have, the higher the conversion rates. And once you're verified, also you just switch to the live account in here, and you'll be able to then update all the information and actually set up your payments and make them work. And that's going to be it. Now your payment system is fully connected and ready to accept real transactions. Once Stripe and base44 are linked properly, everything runs automatically. Payments, confirmations, and payouts. Set this up once, test it carefully, and your checkout will work smoothly for every customer. That's it for this video, guys. Hopefully I helped you. If I did, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.